Okay, Ashwani ma'am, you can start your session.
Okay.
You can introduce yourself, then you can start your session.
I'm Ashwini. Today I'm telling about the first aid for kids. Okay. What is meant by first aid? Before going, if any accident coming means, what we
Ma'am,
have to do?
ma'am, just go a little behind. We can't see your face. Yes, now it's fine.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is meant by first aid? First aid means if any accident coming means what we have to do? We are waiting for anyone? No. First, we have to do small things. We have to recover the pain. That that is called the first aid. That after that, first what is meant by head injury? First we have to go to the head injury. If what is meant by head injury, if our child is falling down from slide or bed, what to do? If anyone, what we have to do? No, what we have to do if any of your child will falling from the bed? What we have to do first again?
Ma'am, can you go a little behind? We can't see your face.
Okay.
Yes, yes, okay.
Simply I'm telling and everything, but nobody interrupted with me or not.
Ma'am,
Simply.
everybody is on mute.
हम लोग सुन रहे हैं, don't worry.
Everyone is listening.
Okay. Simply I want what I want to do. I want to tell that is telling everything.
Sure.
Okay. If our child is falling from the bed, first what we have to do that hold hold the head tightly. Just don't move and check everything in the head. What is in the neck, backside is any injuries came or front and check everything part of the body. Mainly head. Yes. First where is there in it, is there in it, any redness is came here in head or any backside, that back neck is there, na? That neck side is any injury or you are observed, that identify first and calm down the children. First don't
Okay.
type.
So, ma'am, can I translate now?
Okay.
Can I translate this to everyone?
Okay, nobody, they are not understanding English.
Ma'am, but I need to translate.
Okay,
ओके
okay,
सो बेसिकली मैम का ये बोलना है कि अगर कोई बच्चा गिर जाता है बेड से सो बेड से गिरने के बाद में उसको एग्जैक्टली उसको पहले कुछ नहीं करना है सबसे पहले उसका हेड देखना है और उसकी फेस और हेड के पास कोई इंजरी नहीं हुई है या कुछ भी रेडनेस वगैरह उसके फेस पे नहीं है पहले आपको वो मेक श्योर करना है कि कहीं पे कुछ ब्रेकेज या मतलब जो भी एक्सटर्नल आपको वो दिखता है कोई चोट वगैरह दिखती है आपको पहले वो चेक करना है वो तो नहीं है एंड उसके बाद में आपको नेक की बैक साइड में वो देखना है कि वो स्ट्रेट है या नहीं है जो बोन होती है वो आपको बाहर से स्ट्रेट लग रही है या नहीं लग रही है
if any redness is there, feeling pain and that time redness will be coming there, feeling and crying a lot. That time we have to do that. In our fridge we are having frozen items. Yes, milk packet or any ice bag that we have to keep and hold it tightly. If the baby falling down from bed, that here may be injured. That time you hold it tightly with the ice bag or whatever in the frozen items. In our home, daily we are having this that frozen item we are keeping like this and hold tightly. Then it will be very cooling, that giving the cooling effect to the child and the child will be calming down. That is the main thing that we have to do. And that time don't give to the ibuprofen tablet. If the tablet, some are telling we are having medicines in our home, that ibuprofen tablet we have giving means that further damage will be there. Yes, that don't give to the ibuprofen. Then calm down the children first and hold it tightly. Then immediately, if the children is not be calm down, still crying, that is immediately you have to go to the doctor.
ओके
You will translate.
तो ओके सो अगर बच्चा गिर जाता है बेड से सो उसके बाद में आपको पहले मेक श्योर करना है कि कहीं उसको एक्सटर्नल इंजरी तो नहीं है। इंटरनल तो ऑब्वियसली हम नहीं देख सकते हैं, बट एक्सटर्नल इंजरी तो नहीं है। सो उसके बाद अगर उसके हेड पे चोट लगती है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग मेडिसिन देने से पहले आपको आइस पैक लगाना जरूरी है पूरे हेड पे, सो दैट उसका जो भी पेन होगा वो उससे नहीं होगा। और उसके बाद भी अगर बच्चा बहुत रो रहा है, लग रहा है आपको कि इसे डॉक्टर के पास ले जाना है, तो आप उसे डॉक्टर के पास ले जाइए। बट फर्स्ट स्टेप जो आपको इमीडिएट लेना है वो आपको आइस पैक उसके हेड पे लगाना है।
Give acetaminophen. That is the tablet name, acetaminophen. That give the tablet to the child. That will be immediate. Immediate pain will be reduced. The child will be calmed down.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you please write this medicine name in the chat box?
Yes, definitely. Yes. Acetaminophen. But reduce the.
And this is for which age group, ma'am?
To above 2 years, not be below 2 years. Acetaminophen very small. For below the 5 years kid, we have to give very small dosage, not be that much. Okay, basically before 5 years, we have to give syrups. Acetaminophen syrups is there. Directly we have to give syrups, not the tablet. If they are tablet is little more bitter taste, now they have unable to swallow.
Okay, so this is for above 2 years child, right? Not below 2 years.
Below 2 years, we have to that syrups is there. Acetaminophen
Syrups are there. Okay, okay.
tablet form for above 5 years. It will be good.
So, ma'am, chat box में एक medicine
Yes,
का
I'm
नाम,
typing.
yeah,
Yes,
medicine का नाम लिख रही हैं।
Acetaminophen to reduce the pain in.
हाँ, so वो बच्चे को अगर, ma'am, this is for any pain or particular?
Any pain. Acetaminophen
For any-
is good for reduce
any
the
pain.
Nothing will
Okay.
happen. Mainly this I had the injury that more pain will be coming now. That time we have to use.
This is a painkiller, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Does this has any power, ma'am, or maybe like before meal, after meal kind of anything?
Better we have to give the medicine only after meal. Only the ulcer. We are suffering from ulcers. That time only give to before the medicine.
Any power? mg? Any mg?
Yes. Only
Okay.
500 little bit. For kids, we have to give very small mg. The 500 is more than enough. Okay. We are calculated by the age. That's why we have to give in the syrups only. Before 5 years, we have to give in syrups. Above 5 years, we have to give in tablet. They can easily swallow. Okay.
Okay, so अगर आपका बच्चा 5 years से नीचे है, so preferably सिरप देना चाहिए, और अगर 5 years से ऊपर है तो टैबलेट, अगर वो swallow कर ले तो.
Yes. If next we have to go to the chipped teeth. That we are the kids are playing in the outside. They are falling down. The teeth will be broken sometimes. Yes. That time what we have to do? First we have to collect the teeth. Collect the teeth and keep inside with saliva. Saliva means in that inside tongue is there a saliva. That is the saliva or milk. That in Hindi I don't know. That we have milk, take the teeth and that is inside the milk you have to store it and take it into the doctor. They can be refilled. Okay. If chip teeth, any nerve is coming, they are falling down, the teeth will be broken, means it's doing like this. If total teeth will be coming, the nerves is there na? Inside the teeth, the nerves will be coming outside, but don't do anything. First, just wash it and keeping in the ice bag that will be cooling. Everything will be cooling by the ice bag. So everyone should be keeping the ice bag in your fridge. Okay, keeping in the ice bag, then they feel some more reduce the pain. Then immediately go to the doctor and take to the teeth. That's it. You transfer now. Hello.
I have a question, Rati.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसा बताया गया कि चोट में हमें आइस पैक लगाना चाहिए चेक करके, बट समटाइम्स मैंने देखा है कि बच्चे को अगर कोल्ड और कफ हुआ है पहले से, ठीक है, या फिर कुछ ठंड है बहुत ज्यादा, in that case what we should do,
Okay.
because we
So, ma'am,
avoid putting ice,
ma'am, I think we should avoid ice pack in the winter's time, or if kids are suffering from cold and cough,
Yes, don't do.
what should we do in that case?
In winter directly, one thing directly you have to do keeping the ice bag. Okay, that ice bag will be inside the ice,
Okay.
not that much of the cool. If here means nothing will happen. If heat will, that we have to give the heat means that the nerve will be increases and paining a lot. That's why you have to take a cloth. If the feeling is very in the climatic conditions, we have to take a kerchief or something and doing like this, and in the inside keep in the ice cream. Okay, so like this.
Okay.
मतलब direct you don't have to apply.
Yes,
If they
exactly. So
are
directly you don't have to apply, and
but
heat को
don't give
नहीं
the
देनी
heat
चाहिए.
things. Don't put in the heat things. Heat
Okay.
heat massages
Hot-
that will be there now
Hot
for
packs and all.
warm
Hot
bags.
packs.
Yes, warm bags don't be heat. If warm is increase in the vessel size and the cell damage will be more inside the body. Okay.
Okay. So
Don't
basically मैम का ये बोलना है कि इन केस अगर जैसे चोट लगती है दांत टूटने के बाद, या दांत से ही कभी कभार बच्चों को चोट लग जाती है लिप्स पे एंड ऑल, सो वार्म पैक या हॉट पैक तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाना है. आपको कोल्ड पैक ही लगाना है. विंटर्स का टाइम है या बच्चे को कोल्ड एंड कफ है, सो ऑब्वियसली डायरेक्ट अप्लाई नहीं करना है. उसको किसी बैग में या किसी कपड़े में रैप करके आप करेंगे, सो वो इतना इफेक्ट कोल्ड एंड कफ पे नहीं होगा.
Next one, we go to the nose bleed. Again, the kids are playing in outside. The nose will be bleeding sometimes. Mainly these winter conditions, the nose will be more bleeding. Some type of kids. Yes, that time what we have to do first. This is the nose bone. What we are calling as this is the nose bone, and these are called the nostrils. These two holes is there, we are calling it as nostrils. So we have to tilt. This is our head, tilt. Tilt means down. Tilt your head and tilt like this. Tilt your head and nose bone here, hold tightly. Okay, hold tightly like this. Hold tightly. Then any bleeding will be, we are giving pressure to the nose. Then the bleeding will be stops. Okay, the bleeding will be stops. You are going to 10 to 15 minutes. You have to do like this. The bleeding will be stops for the child. And again, you don't do the and don't do the lean back side. Don't sit on the lean back side. If there means the bleeding will be more and more. So we have to tilt your head, hold it like this, and 10 to 15 minutes you hold tightly, as much as you cannot be that much of pain. Hold tightly like this, then it will be reduce the nose bleeding. And after the nose bleeding stops, use nostril sprays in it. To nostrils, use nostril spray. Don't be lying like this, here like this, and pour in the nostril spray in it. Okay, and after this nose pain, then apply Vaseline. We are having Vaseline now. Apply here Vaseline like this, two nostrils inside the nostrils. Then the clotting, anything, it will be moist and coming outside. Okay, that's it. You translate now.
Yeah.
ये रति नसीर फूटने पे कर बता रहे हैं क्या?
करेक्ट, हाँ जी, नसीर फूटने पे.
अच्छा अच्छा,
जिससे बच्चों के नोज
ठीक
से
है ठीक है.
होने लगती है, तो
हाँ
हेड को थोड़ा सा नीचे की तरफ टिल्ट करना है. बैक साइड में बिल्कुल भी नहीं रखना है. टिल्ट करने के बाद नोज को प्रेस करके रखना है 10-15 मिनट तक, सो दैट ब्लीडिंग वहीं पे रुक जाए. तो ब्लीडिंग इमीडिएटली इनका कहना है कि वहीं पे रुक जाएगी. बस हेड को पीछे की तरफ नहीं करना है, वरना ब्लीडिंग ज्यादा होती है. सो हेड को नीचे की
अच्छा,
तरफ
हम लोग तो पीछे ही करते हैं. हाँ.
अच्छा, तो आगे की तरफ करके रखना है और नोज को प्रेस करके रखना है, जैसा कि मैम ने बताया था. मैम, कैन यू प्लीज प्रेस योर नोज फ्रॉम वेयर वी नीड टू प्रेस?
This is the bone.
Yes.
nasal bone. We are calling as nasal bone. These are the nostrils. Like this, we have to hold tightly this side. Okay, this side we have to hold tightly. The bleeding will be stops.
Okay.
Okay, and don't keep any
duration.
materials in the nostrils to stop the bleeding. Okay, in cut means we are holding like this and cotton doing like this. But in the nose time it will be anything means they are unable to breathe now. They are unable to telling.
Yes.
They are feeling difficult to breathe. Okay, don't keep anything in the nose. It will be very discomfort to the child.
Okay.
Only Vaseline.
Only
Vaseline
Vaseline,
and
you apply
nasal
Vaseline here in the nostril.
Vaseline, nozzle drops.
First you have to pour the nostril drops. Okay, then any infection, anything will be clear. Okay, after that you apply Vaseline here, 2 nostrils. These holes is there now we are having the nostrils we are calling as. In these 2 nostrils we have to apply Vaseline. The Vaseline.
If we don't have nozzles drops, then if we don't have nozzles drops, then
nothing will happen. You apply that saline solution we are having to moist only. Leave it.
okay.
Okay, leave it. Nothing will happen. Apply Vaseline. Then anything will be that there in moist. The bleeding will be there now. Any clot will be there inside. That will be moist and coming outside. And one more thing.
Ma'am, hold कितनी देर करना है?
Easing.
10 to 15 minutes, ma'am.
Don't do like this.
Okay.
10 to 15 minutes. Maximum before 10 to 15 minutes only it will be clotted. If still bleeding means immediately you have to go to the doctor. Immediately. Maybe any nerve damage will be inside. Okay. That also any inside the bone now you can't see what happened inside it. Yes, immediately you have to go to the doctor. First aid means before going to the doctor, that any accident will be coming. We are doing only temporary medicine only. This is not a permanent solution for the injury. This is the temporary. Before we are not waiting for the doctor to go on that much. We are not nearby. Our doctor is not available. So much of time taken to go. Meanwhile,
Temporary and immediate, है ना?
Yes.
That's it. Okay, you can translate or go to the next one.
यहाँ तक सबको clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything will be understanding.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next, broken bone. Our child is playing in the outside. Then what? Sometimes the bone will be, they are fastly running and what we do? The bone will be maybe some men broke, not be that much of broken, very small bone. If you are observed white bone inside the body, the white bone is there now, that will be coming outside means it very severe condition. If nothing will not be coming outside, just will be small scratches, it will be there. Then what to do that time? We have to first clear that. Blood will be coming now. First clear with the blood, with water, only water. Don't use alcoholic conditions. Okay, alcoholic solutions. It will be not be repaired and damage the cells. And it will be irritated to the kid. Don't do any alcoholic solution materials. Okay, or simply we are having water. Keep in your bone or whatever in hand or leg and whatever it will be, to keep on the tap water and wash it thoroughly. And see, observe what it will be. If they are easily moving, okay, it's very small thing, not be that much of serious. If they are not be moving, very difficult and crying a lot, not be, if they are washing is still unable to move, means it is the severe condition of that problem. Okay, then we have to immediately go to the doctor. Meanwhile, very small injury, small cut is there, that will be use ice bath. It's very easy. Okay, you can translate now.
So कोई भी अगर बच्चे को खेलते हुए इंजरी हो जाती है और वहां से ब्लड निकलता है, सो ब्लड निकलने पे कोई भी आपको सॉल्यूशन पहले नहीं लगाना है, लाइक डेटॉल और सैवलॉन टाइप्स. आपको सबसे पहले उसको क्लीन वाटर से क्लीन करना है और उसके ऊपर ब्लड रोकने के लिए आइस पैक लगाना है.
Yes. And don't keep warm baths. Thus it will be swelling the vein and nerves. Okay. not be, this is the main condition. If no, so many people are doing like this only. They are feeling very hot, they are giving warm baths. That it will be inside the nerves, that will be swelling and redness will be more. That is a very temporary solution. That further, but further damage will be more. So don't keep any warm baths and not be soaked on the water, hot water.
ओके, सो किसी भी इंजरी के लिए आपको वार्म या हॉट पैक नहीं देना है, नॉट इवन हॉट वाटर में डिप भी नहीं करना है। उससे आपकी जो भी ब्लीडिंग होगी वो ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी और अंदर के जो भी कट्स होंगे वो ज्यादा डीप हो जाएंगे।
Okay.
तो आपको सिर्फ कोल्ड पैक्स ही देने हैं, ठंडा पानी या ठंडे पानी में डिप कर दिया या आइस पैक दे दिया, एवरीथिंग शुड बी कोल्ड।
One more thing, don't keep ice is there now, don't keep directly ice bags. Ice bag only okay. Don't keep ice will be ice cubes, that will be, don't keep directly on that. It will be more pain and unable to tolerate. Okay, only ice bags and ice frozen items like that.
ओके, सो किसी आइस पैक के लिए भी आपको डायरेक्ट आइस किसी पे भी अप्लाई नहीं करनी है, सिर्फ उसको किसी कपड़े में बांध के या आइस बैग में रख के ही आपको आइस पैक दे रहे हैं।
Okay, next we have to go to eye. Eye are very sensible part in our body. Yes, first sense organs is the main is eye. Eye is very important, and to say this, to very purely we have to take care of our eyes. If any dust or sand, anything will be coming here, means just rub like first sand means what we have to do, water, tilt the water like this, and not that much of pressure, just open the eyes and water like this tap water have to do, and that will be washed. Any insects that will be coming in our eye will be redness. That time you have to do like this. Like this you have to do. The dust will be it will be coming this side, then coming out. Okay. Other and one more thing, any redness will be good. We are applying like this and applying, and they are crying while, because of eyes are more sensitive part in our body. Oh, they are crying, then what to do that time? That sitting side and laying the back side like this, and try to open as much as you can. Okay, back side you laying down it as much as they are feeling pain, but little more, as much as you can, little more open, and use any eye drops, ciprofloxacin, like that. Eye drops you have to keep inside the drops and keep relaxing like this. Backside you sit and keep relaxing. That time you will be more. This is the temporary medicine for that. Okay. Now you can translate.
ओके, सो बेसिकली अगर किसी बच्चे की आंख में कुछ चला जाता है और आप उसे डायरेक्ट पानी से, उसे साफ पानी से आईज को स्प्लैश कीजिए, नॉर्मल पानी से, गर्म पानी नहीं लेना है, नॉर्मल पानी से स्प्लैश कीजिए और उस बच्चे को हेड उसका पीछे रख के उसकी आईज जितनी आप खोल सकते हैं उतनी खोल के उसमें आई ड्रॉप, जो प्लेन वाले क्लीनर आई ड्रॉप्स होते हैं रिफ्रेश वाले, वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं।
Next thing, chalking. Chalking means the kids are playing in the small toys. Maybe sometimes they are swallowing. They are taken like a food. Maybe they don't know the identifier. Maybe sometimes they are chalking, they are swallowing. That time what will they are, first thing, they are unable to speak. They are unable to breathe, and also simply crying. If anything happens to the child, first thing we have to observe, they are crying. That time what to do? First, as a small kid means we have to lean backside, head down and legs up. Okay, lean backside, and this is the shoulders. This is the shoulder. Beside the shoulders backside, you knock them like this. You slap it on the backside.
Tap it.
Like it. You have to do like this. Then there will be anything inside this neck. They will be coming outside. That is the main thing. Or they are in bigger one, big child, then what to do? Then they are simply turning backside and doing like this. They will be easily swallowing, easily vomiting. That's it. Now you can translate.
ओके सो छोटे बच्चे जैसे टॉयज खेलते टाइम या कुछ उनके मुंह में चला जाता है या स्टक हो जाता है, सो आपको करना क्या है, बच्चे को उल्टा करना है, हेड नीचे होना चाहिए, लेग्स ऊपर होनी चाहिए और उनकी पीठ पे जोर से टैप करना है। टैप करके दो चार बार टैप करना है और फिर जो भी स्टक हुआ होगा वो निकल जाएगा।
In front side for some more big child, this is the front side. This front side, this is the heart above the abdomen. Abdomen is stomach. Above the stomach, 1 minute. Above, okay. Above, okay. Now live let's say. Above the stomach. Okay, this is the stomach now. Stomach above the stomach, the diaphragm. That is here. Not be neck and not be here. Here down, you for the younger children, you have to thumb like this. You have to up, give the pressure and doing like this. Give the pressure and doing up and down like this. Like this, you pressure means if anything happens, means they are coming, they are vomit. Okay.
ओके सो बड़े बच्चों के लिए ये करना है कि आपको पीछे टैप नहीं करके आपको आगे उसकी चेस्ट पे प्रेस करना है और प्रेस करते करते वो जो भी चीज होगी मुंह में गई होगी वो अपने आप बाहर आ जाएगी।
Okay. Then bleeding wound. We are cutting not only for kids. We are also sometimes in the kitchens. Our nails will be cutting for the cutting and cutting onions and vegetables. Then what to do that time? Simply first we wash the cut and apply ointment. Simply any antibiotic ointment and giving the bandage. That's it. Very bleeding. That will be one thing. You any cut will be holding like this. More pressure. You give more pressure here, then it will be the clotting will be quickly done. Okay, giving more pressure to the hand. Hand and wherever it may be, the wound will be in the skin will be injured. That time giving more pressure, then wash it. Okay, then it will be clotted. Next time you wash it and apply simple ointment and close it. That's it. It's very simple thing. Everybody knows, I think.
तो चाहे वो छोटे बच्चे की कटे चाहे वो बड़े बच्चे की फिंगर कट हो, तो आपको जोर से उस चीज जहाँ पे कटा है वहां पे प्रेशर देके रखना है 5-10 मिनट तक ताकि वो ब्लड रुक जाए और ब्लड रुकने के बाद में आप नॉर्मल वॉश कर सकते हैं नॉर्मल पानी से।
Okay, but one more thing, don't wash any cuts and wounds with alcoholic containing solutions. Alcoholic containing solutions giving more irritation to the body. Yes?
Ma'am, not even Savlon and Dettol?
That will be, I think it's alcoholic solution will be some more, nowadays we are having
But usually we put Dettol or Savlon, no? If any cuts are there, if any bleeding.
First we have to do very simple thing. Just we have to wash that wash with plain water. That we are having a tea powder. Immediate reaction you will observe. Yes.
Ma'am, which
Not
powder?
only if I am a medical student, not be like that. We have to tell
Which
that.
powder? Which powder?
Tea powder. Tea powder.
Tea
They
powder.
have tea powder, ma'am. That you use tea powder immediately below the 1 minute, the clot will be gone. Nothing will. One thing, don't wash that saline solution, that Dettol and everything. First, wash with water, clean water. We are using very pure water, not be that much of spoiled water, not for everything. Simply, you have to wash wash with water. That's it. And use tea powder, only tea powder. Tea powder. Tea powder is good for, is very, very good for healing. Basic things, some are basic things we forget. Tea powder is good for healing. Healing means that stopping the bleeding. Okay, stopping the bleeding, and again the cell will be regenerate, and again the skin will be coming. Okay.
So
bandage is a stay put. And one more thing we have to do in our elder ones saying that if you open the wound means it will be repaired. very quickly, but it's a wrong, not a wrong. It's a absolutely wrong thing. Yes, any cut and is first you clean it and apply an ointment and giving the bandage. Bandage gives quickly repair the cell. If you are open means maybe sometimes again outside environment the moisture will be coming and any unfortunately again we are touching anything but it will be the pain will be more. Okay, use bandage. It will be quick relief.
Okay. So should I translate?
Yes.
ओके सो मतलब हमने भी सुना होगा कि जो भी चोट लगती है उसको जितना खुला छोड़ोगे उतना जल्दी ठीक होगी बट एज पर मैम शी इज सेइंग कि उसे खुला नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए जो भी है उस पर ऑइंटमेंट लगा के आपको बैंडेज से कवर करना चाहिए वो जल्दी हील होता है
Okay. Hydrogen peroxide and betadine, these type of solutions don't use the damaged skin. In our home, hydrogen peroxide solutions maybe sometimes some homes maybe they are having, but don't do these things. Simply we are using water. Okay, don't do further that. And next we have to do and poisoning. Yes, sometimes maybe our kids are poisoning substance in our home now it will be they are in swallow that it will be very poisonous first they have to be vomit. Yes, that time they are trouble in breathing and staying awake and find the poison. First we have to find the, how much they are taken and what is the poison they have to take and we have to identify. Okay, further if we are knowing the poison what they are taking then the doctor will be giving easily to vomit the poison. Okay, immediately we are going to the doctor only. No need to take any in the first aid in the home. First you have to identify what they are taken and how much they are taken we have to identify. Okay, now you can translate.
ओके सो अगर बच्चा कुछ पॉइजनस चीज ले लेता है सो उसमें हमें इमीडिएट कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है सीधा उसको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है और मेन चीज हमें ये देखनी है उसने पॉइजनस चीज कौन सी ली है और कितनी क्वांटिटी में ली है बिकॉज या तो वो इमीडिएटली उसे वॉमिट करवा दो वॉमिट करवाते ही फिर भी आपको डॉक्टर के पास उसे लेके जाना बहुत जरूरी है
Okay, next we have to go to the burnings. Any burns frequently in our kitchen mainly two things, one cuts and second one burns. Yes, mainly for us we are doing very the kids are very some cases only they are burning why because they are not coming to the kitchen. Okay, mainly this is more helpful for us I think. Yes, what is the burning? If our burning if our hand or anything we are burning in the sensation we can touch the fire, the burning, that will be any redness. Redness will be very, it's a very primary thing, not be that much of serious. If the burning our hand in, it shows white color or black color, it will be very, third stage of the burning. Then immediately go to the doctor. In first stage, that is only redness. The redness we have to bear the pain as much as you can. Yes, uh, sitting on the fan. Yes, sitting on the fan and keeping in the cool. Let it be cooling sometime. We can be there sometime. Yes, that will be reduced after we have to apply burner. Yes, this is the first thing. And one more thing, we unable to bear the pain. Then again, we have to go to the tap water, only tap water. Tap water, then you wash it. Let it be cooling. It will be cooling. Yes, cooling will be okay. Then you can reduce the some pain. Then apply burner and something. You are washing in the tap water now. That time the blister. Blister means white color will be appear now. If anyone faces a problem like that, if you are burning our hand, we are washing with water and we are applying burner that time that white color blister coming on this is help to reduce the further damage of the inside the cells so it not be that much of a serious. Okay, we have to do that only, nothing will happen further barrier. Okay, white color barrier will be coming after 1 or 2 days, it will be coming outside and our skin will be clear. Okay, that we have to do. Okay, apply ointment that is bacitracin, that is a smooth that easily regenerate the cell and our skin will be normally coming. Now you can translate please.
ओके, सो अगर किसी का हाथ जल जाता है, सो जलने पे वो जो रेडनेस आ जाती है, या अगर बहुत ज्यादा जल गया है तो इमिडिएटली डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए। अगर थोड़ी सी रेडनेस है और थोड़ी इचिंग सी है, सो आपको पंखे के नीचे थोड़ी देर हाथ रखना है, और पंखे के नीचे हाथ रखने के बाद आपको पानी में, ठंडे चलते पानी में अपना हाथ को रखना है, और उस पे बर्नॉल जो आती है वो लगानी है, और उसके बाद फिर से आपको चलते पानी में हाथ अपना रखे रखना है, सो दैट उसका जो वाइट पार्ट है, वाइट लेयर है बर्नॉल लगाने के बाद में, वो निकल जाएगी, और इंटरनल जो भी बर्नॉल ने अंदर जाना होगा वो चली जाएगी। और मैम एक आई थिंक क्रीम का नाम भी लिख रही हैं, अगर कुछ हाथ में जल जाता है या कुछ भी होता है तो उसमें आप ये वाली पेन के लिए आप ले सकते हैं। मैम, इज दिस अ मेडिसिन और इज दिस ऑइंटमेंट?
Ibuprofen tablet, ibuprofen and acetaminophen for reduce pain in burns. That is tablet. Bacitracin, yes, bacitracin is an ointment.
ओके, ये जो मैम ने 2 टैबलेट लिखी हैं, इब्रोफेन एंड वन मोर टैबलेट इज देयर फॉर रिड्यूस
That
पेन।
is ointment to regenerate the cell.
मैम, इज दिस अ सेम मेडिसिन व्हिच यू हैव रोट फॉर इंजरी फॉर किड्स?
Yes. For kids, mainly you have to take the syrups.
Syrups only.
Syrups.
But this one is a medicine for adults, right?
Only for adults only. If kids there, we have to use the syrups. It's bad. Mainly the burns will be, their skin will be very sensitive. Easily their skin will be regenerate. Sensitive but also regenerate early. Better than our body. Okay. Regenerate. Okay. Bacitracin is an ointment to regenerate cell.
ओके, सो मैम ने 2 टैबलेट लिखी हैं और एक इन्होंने ऑइंटमेंट लिखा है।
Is one more thing that if any burning is coming, first we have to apply any butter. Don't apply butter. Okay. Burning means someone telling that apply butter, it will be reduce the pain and regenerate, but don't apply butter and vitamin E oils like that. Yes, it can be irritating and cell damage will be more.
ओके, सो जलने के बाद में कुछ भी आपने कुछ बोलते हैं कि बटर लगा लीजिए, नो, तो बटर नहीं लगाना है, वो अंदर सेल्स को और डैमेज करता है।
Okay, next one, seizures. Seizures means fits. This is very rare conditions, but I have to tell this only for knowing, only for awareness only. Okay, not be that much. Any jerkings and seizures will be coming. That time they are open the tongue like this, and eyes will be opened like this. Okay, that will be the symptoms of the seizures. Nothing will happen to your child or bigger elder ones, anyone. Okay, don't be panic that type of situations. That is the symptom of the seizures. That time the person will be laying down. Okay, don't give any keychains or in the hole like this. Don't give. Apply some pressure. Apply some pressure. They will be coming normal. And if they are turning blue, and or sometimes they are vomit, it will be nothing. Yes, if they are turning blue means that is a severe condition of the seizure. Okay, immediately you have to go to the doctor. And meanwhile, and observe the every 5 minutes. Yes, 2 to 5 minutes. How many seizures, how many fits they are doing like this now? How many times we are observed? We have to notice and then to the doctor. These 5 minutes, these are observed we are in. Okay, immediately go to the doctor. Yes, you can translate now, please.
ओके, सो जो भी फिट्स वगैरह आते हैं, चाहे वो बड़ों को आए चाहे वो बच्चों को आए, रेयरली अगर किसी को आते हैं, सो उसमें पैनिक नहीं करना है। उसमें आपको सिर्फ उसके फीट को और हैंड्स को जोर से रब करना है एंड ऑब्जर्व करना है कि कितनी 5 मिनट्स तक आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है कि कितनी देर तक वो फिट्स आ रहे हैं। और इन केस अगर बॉडी ब्लू हो रही है या फेस में ब्लू कलर आ रहा है या बॉडी ब्लू हो रही है, सो इमिडिएटली डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना चाहिए। अदरवाइज अगर ब्लू नहीं हो रही है बॉडी और नॉर्मल है, तो वो 5-7 मिनट में अगर आप वो हाथ पे प्रेशर देंगे एंड फीट पे प्रेशर देंगे तो वो नॉर्मल हो जाएंगे।
Okay. Next, twisted ankle. Ankle means our foot is there na. Downside the ankle. Ankle is twisted. Sometimes we are in walk sleeping or any coming means we have to falling down. That time our ankle will be twisted. We are feeling the more pain, unable to move. That time simply we are using that. First we have to sit and upside our heart. The leg will be more in height. You keep your leg in more in heart. Okay, lean down and lean down, lean down and up in the our heart. Understand? Up in the heart, you have placed your leg, and that time you feeling some more relaxed. After that, we have to use as usually cooling pad. It will be reduced pain. Okay, don't soak in the your leg in the hot water and hot baths. Don't use any hot things. Further 48 hours up to, don't do that. Every 15 minutes you have to keep the ice bag, sit, lean backside and sitting down, and your leg will be more in height above your heart. Okay, now you can translate please.
ओके, सो अगर किसी की एंकल ट्विस्ट हो जाती है या जैसे हम बोलते हैं पाँव मुड़ गया है ऑल, तो उस कंडीशन में पहला चीज तो आपको हॉट वाटर में पाँव नहीं रखना है, आइस पैक लगाना है। आइस पैक लगाने के साथ साथ आपको लेटना है। लेटने के बाद आपको लेग उतना ऊपर करना है जितना आपके हार्ट के लेवल तक आ जाए, वो इतनी ऊपर तक आपको लेग को 5 से 7 मिनट तक हर 15-20 मिनट में उसे उस लेवल हार्ट के लेवल तक ऊपर लाना है, सो दैट जो भी आपकी पेन या जो भी उसमें स्वेलिंग है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी। और हर 15-20 मिनट में आपको उस पे आइस पैक लगाते रहना है और इसको हॉट वाटर में एकदम डिप नहीं करना है और ना कोई हॉट पैक लगाना है।
Ibuprofen as usually using ibuprofen to reduce the pain. Okay, ibuprofen is a anti that means reduce the pain. Analgesic that will be
चैट
reduce,
बॉक्स में एक मेडिसिन लिख रही हैं जिससे
reduce the pain.
तो आप वो टैबलेट ले सकते हैं।
In twisted ankle, ibuprofen is a small normal medicine that we have to use reduce the pain. Okay, and sometimes where kids are falling from that bed or something, their lips and coming blood outside. That time we have to first wash your mouth, wash the kid's mouth, and giving sweetening substance, sweetening any chocolates, sugars you give into the child. Then the sugary substance that heal it, and the blood will be clotted. Okay. If blood is coming from the mouth, again you immediately have to give in our home, sugar will be there, any chocolate, any sweetening substance. We have to give immediately within second. You can be easily clot the blood.
ओके, तो बच्चों को जैसे मुंह से कुछ दांत लगने पे चोट लग जाती है या मुंह से खून आने लगता है, सो इमिडिएटली आपको शुगर देनी है। और शुगर नहीं है या शुगर पास में नहीं है तो आप कोई भी मीठी चीज उसको दे सकते हैं, लाइक चॉकलेट और एनी स्वीट्स, कुछ भी आप दे सकते हैं, उससे ब्लड जो है वो इमिडिएटली आना बंद हो जाएगा। एंड दिस इबुप्रोफेन जो मैम ने लिखी है चैट बॉक्स में, मैम इज दैट ओनली फॉर द एंकल पेन और फॉर एनी पेन?
Anything you have to feeling pain, that it will be reduced. And one more thing, don't use more tablets. This is the only first aid means this is the temporary solution, not be the permanent. Yes, we have to take in temporary solution only. Don't take more medicines. Don't use antibiotics more and more means our what is the main thing? We have to take more antibiotics in our stomach. The inside the stomach useful enzymes and microorganisms are there in our stomach. If you are using, what is the main action of the antibiotics is to clean the organs, not the organisms, microorganisms, to cleaning out and throwing outside. They are cleaning the useful microorganisms in the stomach also. So don't use more antibiotics.
I mean, they kill good bacteria as well, right?
It will be kill good bacteria also.
So, ma'am के according कुछ भी एंटीबायोटिक ज्यादा नहीं लेनी चाहिए किसी को भी, चाहे वो बच्चा हो चाहे वो अडल्ट हो, बिकॉज ज्यादा एंटीबायोटिक्स लेने पे वो अंदर के जो गुड बैक्टीरियाज है उसको भी खत्म करती हैं.
That's why don't use. Simply, and one more thing, if doctor giving the medicine for 3 days, if we are feeling that one day we are taken, it will be okay. The next day we won't use the medicine. Yes, it not be good. Please take the complete medicine. That how many days doctor given, please follow the medicine. How many days we have to take? That time 3 times one day. That 3 times we have to take. And further, if we are doing like this means furtherly we have to not get the same symptoms. Okay, again we not getting that same disease. Okay, complete to kill the complete bacteria inside the body, we have to complete our dosage.
ओके. सो जो भी डॉक्टर आपको एंटीबायोटिक देता है, चाहे वो 3 दिन
Not
का,
only antibiotics, every medicine.
ओके, जो भी सिर्फ एंटीबायोटिक्स नहीं, कोई भी अगर मेडिसिन का कोर्स डॉक्टर लिख कर देता है, चाहे वो 3 दिन का हो चाहे वो 5 दिन का हो, वो आपको कंप्लीट करना है. उससे ज्यादा आपको वो मेडिसिन नहीं कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए, कोई भी अगर वो मेडिसिन हैं. अगर 3 दिन का कोर्स है तो आपको 3 दिन में ही लेना है. डोंट इंक्रीज फॉर 4 और 5 days.
Okay.
That's all for the day, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Anything else you want to ask me?
तो किसी को कुछ पूछना है, किसी का कुछ क्वेश्चन है?
यस मैम, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
Yes, tell me please.
हाँ मैम, जैसे जब आपने बताया था कि फीट आता है तो उसका आपने ट्रीटमेंट बताया, जब दांत बन जाता है कभी कभी फीट में दांत पे दांत चढ़ जाता है, तो उस वक्त क्या करेंगे?
Will you please translate me in English?
Yes, okay. So मैम, बबीता मैम जो इन्होंने अभी बताया था उसमें ये
हाँ हाँ
Please translate in English.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm translating to her because I got your point at the time, so I'm just translating to her. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so बबीता मैम जो फिट वगैरह आता है उसमें ये सारी चीजें इंक्लूड होती हैं. टंग बाहर बनना और ये जो आप दांत वाला बोल रहे हैं, एंड आईज हो जाना है नॉन, तो उसमें पैनिक नहीं करके हाथ को जोर से रब करना होता है और फीट को जोर से रब करना होता है, और 5-10 मिनट तक आप रब करते रहो, वो नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में अपने आप आ जाएंगे.
हाथ और पीठ दोनों रब करना है?
हाँ जी, हाथ और पैर, हाथ और पैर.
अच्छा, फीट बोला आपने, मुझे पीठ सुना. और एक और क्वेश्चन है, क्रैम्प आते हैं बॉडी में कभी कभी, जिसको कोई लोग तो बादी बोलता है, कोई लोग बोलता है नस पे नस चढ़ गई है, कोई बाइटा बोलता है, तो उसमें क्या करते हैं?
Okay, so ma'am, is there any treatment for cramps also?
Is there any treatment for
For cramps also?
cramps also? We are doing like that. First we have to observe. Yes.
Okay, please tell me what should we do in that case?
For the cramp side.
Yes, yes. Either it's body cramps or stomach cramps.
हाँ, हाथ में भी आ जाता है, पैर में भी, किसी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में आ जाता है वो.
Okay, that cramps will be there. First, we have to apply some pressure. Simply some pressure. Mainly the cramps will be coming because of the inside the nerves will be there, ma'am. That will be compressed. Yes, little bit closer. That we have to apply some pressure and make it like this and apply like this. It will be okay for some time.